Question number 13. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number. एक डाई को रोल किया गया, कितनी बार? एक ही बार, ये एक ही बार रोल किया गया. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ए प्राइम नंबर. इसकी क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी कि हमको प्राइम नंबर मिले? सबसे पहले ये देखो, जब हम डाई को रोल करते हैं तो डाई में 6 फेसेस होते हैं. कितने फेसेस? 6 फेसेस. और 6 फेसेस पे ये नंबर्स लिखी होती है, या तो 1 2 3 4 5 6. ये डाई, जब हम डाई को रोल करते हैं तो डाई के ये 6 फेसेस होते हैं. और कौन सा फेस हमको मिलेगा ये हम नहीं जानते हैं पहले से ही. तो इसमें ये जो 6 फेसेस है, हर एक को सेम चांस होता है कि वो हमको मिले. सबसे पहले लिखो, पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर. पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर. व्हाट आर पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हियर? पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर. कौन कौन सा पॉसिबल आउटकम है? एक तो या तो 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These are possible outcomes. These are, so you can write total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. How many are here? Total number of possible outcomes? 6. So you can write total number of possible outcomes equals to 6. Total number of possible outcomes equals to 6. So you can denote this by 6. Total number of possible outcomes equals to 6. So you have to find here, and now total number of possible outcomes equals to 6. Total number of possible outcomes equals to 6. Actually, in part first you have to calculate, find the probability of, when we roll this die, find the probability of getting a prime number. So you can denote, first of all, in part first you can denote the event by E. So you can denote the event by, let E denotes the event, that E denotes the event, denotes the event of getting which number? Getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. यानी कि जब हम इसको रोल करते हैं हमको प्राइम नंबर मिले, वो इवेंट हमने डिनोट किया किससे? ई से. ई से. नाउ हियर प्राइम नंबर्स आर, कौन कौन सा प्राइम नंबर है यहाँ पे? प्राइम नंबर्स आर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन राइट हियर प्राइम नंबर्स आर. एक तो है यहाँ पे 2 है, ये भी प्राइम नंबर है, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. 3 इज आल्सो प्राइम नंबर एंड 5 इज आल्सो प्राइम नंबर. Whether get this? So you can write here prime numbers are 2 3 5. These are prime numbers. What is prime number? And having only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, we call that as a prime number. Here these are the prime numbers, that is, one is 2 and another is 3 and another is 5. So you can write number of outcomes, outcomes favorable to E. How many outcomes are favorable to E? They are 3 in number. They are 3 in number. Therefore probability of E equals to, what is the probability of E here? Number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of possible outcomes. So you can write number of outcomes favorable to E, number of outcomes favorable to E divided by total number of possible outcomes. 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 So here total number of possible outcomes. Number of outcomes favorable to E here equals to what? 3. And total number of possible outcomes equals to 6. And that you get when you divide this. So you get finally 1/2. That means probability of getting a prime number equals to 1/2. That means there is half chance of getting a prime number. Half chance of getting a prime number. Whether you get this? And after that, in part second, what you have to calculate? A number lying between 2 and 6. A number lying between 2 and 6. You have to find now probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6. So you can also write this directly, or you can denote the event. Denote the event. So part second. So we can write here, let F denotes the event. Let F denotes the event. Denotes the event. Which event? Denotes the event. The event of getting a number. Getting a number lying between 2 and 6. Lying between 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Now look here. Which numbers lie between 2 and 6? One is 3, 4, 5. These are the numbers which lie between 2 and 6. So you can write here numbers which lie between 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are कौन कौन सा नंबर है? एक तो यहाँ पे है 3, 4, 5. These are the numbers which lie between 2 and 6. Therefore, or you can write, therefore probability of a number of outcomes favorable to F equal to what? So you can write number of outcomes. Number of outcomes. Outcomes favorable to F. Favorable to F. Favorable to F. Favorable to F. That equals to number of outcomes favorable to F equals to 3. Therefore probability of F. Probability of F. That probability equals to number of outcomes favorable to F divided by total number of possible outcomes. That is 3 by 6. That is once again 1 by 2. Which means that we get a number which lies between 2 and 6. And that probability of getting that number equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. पार्ट थर्ड में हमको निकालना है प्रोबेबिलिटी. किसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालनी? व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग एन ऑड नंबर? नाउ as you when you look at this, how there are 3 odd numbers. Whether you get this, one is 1 and another is 3 and 5. These are the odd numbers. So you can denote first of all event. Let B denotes the event. B denotes the event. Denotes the event. The event of getting an odd number. Denotes the event of getting an odd number. An odd number. यानी कि ये जो इवेंट हमने डिनोट किया, बी को हमने डिनोट किया क्या? हमको ऑड नंबर वहाँ से मिले. हमको ऑड नंबर वहाँ से गेटिंग एन ऑड नंबर. गेटिंग एन ऑड नंबर. Getting an odd number. Now when you look at here, when we roll a die, there are 3 odd numbers. How many are here? So you can write number of outcomes. Number of outcomes favorable to B. Number of outcomes favorable to B. How many are they? 3. Favorable to B equals to 3. They are 3 in number. They are 3 in number. One is 1 and another is 3 and 5. These are odd numbers. Which means that number of outcomes favorable to B, these are 3 in number. Now you can calculate probability. Therefore probability of B equals to number of outcomes favorable to B divided by total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. So here number of outcomes favorable to B equals to what? Number of outcomes favorable to B. They are 3 in number and total number of possible outcomes equal to 6. So you can once again you get 1 by 2. That means when we roll a die, probability of getting an odd number equals to what? 1 by 2. Probability of getting an odd number equals to what? 1 by 2. In this way we have completed this question number 13.